As online education continues to grow in popularity, many schools are providing students with Chromebooks to use for their coursework. While these devices can be helpful for students to complete assignments, some schools restrict access to certain websites and online resources. This is where a proxy for a school Chromebook can come in handy. A proxy is a server that acts as an intermediary between a device and the internet. When a user accesses a website through a proxy, the proxy server requests the information from the website on behalf of the user. The website then sends the information back to the proxy, which in turn sends it to the user. This process can help users bypass internet restrictions and access blocked websites. To use a proxy for a school Chromebook, you will first need to find a reliable proxy server. There are many free proxy servers available online, but not all of them are trustworthy. It is important to choose a reputable proxy server to avoid malware or other security risks. Once you have found a proxy server, you will need to configure your Chromebook to use it. To do this, follow these steps. Open the Chrome browser on your Chromebook. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to open the Chrome menu. Click on Settings from the menu. Scroll down to the bottom of the Settings page and click on Advanced. Under the System heading, click on Open Proxy Settings. In the window that opens, click on the LAN Settings button. Check the box next to Use a proxy server for your LAN. Enter the IP address and port number of the proxy server you want to use. Click OK to save your changes. Once you have configured your Chromebook to use a proxy, you should be able to access blocked websites and online resources. However, it is important to remember that using a proxy can have drawbacks. Some websites may not load properly, and your internet speed may be slower than usual. Additionally, using a proxy can be a violation of your school's internet usage policy, so make sure you understand the rules and consequences before using a proxy on your school Chromebook. In conclusion, a proxy for a school Chromebook can be a useful tool for accessing blocked websites and online resources. However, it is important to choose a reputable proxy server and to understand the potential drawbacks and risks involved. By following the steps outlined above, you can configure your Chromebook to use a proxy and start exploring the internet beyond your school's restrictions.